mo akwa ba na afi ye de apomuden enkomo no eto aso amamo kai say Amen Scientific Herba and in the Alternative Medical Hospital and etimi aboa ye na ye de apomuden enkomo yi abremuti e kanfo amen ama say ya de bi person ye osanfo no wo hawa entina fie na nsoso ne so e ma no enye wo nkenten so adaje ni ho ye ni abere pa ya medi agro enti bomodi a nakọ amen nakọ je ayarehwe pa 02072295505 and 02452755254. Last one here 0244227192. Amen and I will say Allahu Shafi. Ma menya quick birthday dedication ni ma pretty animonyam enne wanya 2 years na fe yentua so enti animonyam eradwa owusia sefua beautiful name of Agape Academy School Medina. Daddy and mommy wrote you a beautiful love letter, so I'm reading that one for you. One day you come and hear it and say, wow, my mommy and daddy love me that much. She's 2 years today and mommy and daddy says, may God bless your new age and preserve your life. May the lines continue to fall for you in pleasant places and they love you. So Steve and Kathy, daddy and mommy, daddy Steve and mommy Kathy and your siblings, Nana and Ijeba, Papa Nkunim, Ohima, Nyamiye, and Auntie Corrector, they all love you. See, pretty animonyam. Happy birthday to you. Sister Rose Edufo, a principal nursing officer, our reproductive health department, Wakolebu Teaching Hospital. January, a chinani de nakugu, or chain and answer chain, yenokotako. If no better than Quaminim, into Obeko. Ye won in Kunsachina. Nanso, I was set ye didn't come on the last one. If a cervical cancer, ye say a share, a fear seni busumi mono, cervical cancer, ye shed then ya that ye won't come up. A doctor for banning answer, oh, ye, mammy in cervical cancer when I see kakra. Now, so yes, I was so bar and a major paye. Baby or tom for bonnet daddy and no one yan a pa in your numa. Yes, cervical cancer, no AD in your pa. No so cry na kukram ni munina no, se uhun and temwa. Anako ye screening in temuna bi ni hwa ubenya vaccination o de be prevent ye tadi abetimi preventive vaccination wo de adentin sese mani di abro de fa yam na ekunye sa enti ene ye beto ayen komo no eso na ya san edi cervical cancer ehun komo kai se January bosumi cervical cancer awareness month enti nane yes I esisu bi sister afisha pa
afin convert ye ba
empombo ko de
nyame adom facha wo so
nyame adom nso me ho ye adwuma mboko
yes adom
ye mamu ani adwuma nso yensan kai ye ho bi yesua de enti ye ka cervical cancer ye kokram na mu de he
Menda say ena mema yetiefo ni nyara nso achi
ene
yahwefo no so because omo ya de papa me kai say mfie miensanie I started cervical cancer campaign
okay.
Mo platform ni ye the second platform amoma yen a enu nti na edu mpempenso enti mitiche mama why are doing
yenso mammo ni adwuma den
enti ye ka about cervical cancer uhu mfoni ye kitamiya we ye yen awodie no kotoku na nkasa ena anono enu nie enti awodie na no chese kukram ayeche awodie na no sabi wo ye oba na wo de wonsa ehye wase a wonsa tumi koka bibi ti se ehune po anase ebia na mema no so dwen ho se na se ehune po ne de yensa si de nkoka sometimes oba ne obrema nyankita ho dia babia ne bema no ekopem no eno no ne efe no awodie na no enti kukram a eche awodie na no we no eno ne ye kan se ye cervical cancer no na a virus bi ena edeba a friend human papilloma virus enye ade a afei na aba ewo ho da but esan senior sesia edi enya no enti na ewo se yetumi ye hu dede ye a wo boa maye di sa dwumadie yi na ne wo mo ne se ekwan ba ko peso ena enam a oba betumi enya sa kokram a echi awode na no ena ne se woni obarima bi ekonya nkitahodie na se ebi obarima ne nso e wosa amoawa no anaso no so ni oba bi akwa nya nkitahodie ama ne nya amoawa na ode ama wo oba no na mpempie no enye se unya kohie mu ene de ya na echina no echa se enya kokram etumi tina wo be se mfie du ko mfie du mienu enti na mpempie no eche ansa na wuhu ensesaye a eba ni pedue ni mu no biom tumpo na ma cervical cancer prevention common ye de no because ade a chance na de ni ho edidie utumi ye no ma bebre edisi ano kwan se ne ebe ya enkode ni ho edi enti
e de ben cervical cancer brain and like all cancers when so enim ne de ba
cervical cancer de yenim ne de ba enti na ye cancer cervical cancer is the only preventable cancer so we yikukram a echi pedue ni nyina no bebre se na kan because oh yenim ne de ba ne mo ye won ye fe no risk factors but we de yenim ne a edeba a ye virus a enam oba ne obarima nkita hodie so na obetumi enya ena sa virus ni dinkese human papilloma virus enti ye kana ketwa ne afa ni HPV na no so kra no ye mu ahodo bebre emu mienu pe I type 16 any type 18 in a desa kokram yi eba enti se woni obe mebi enkonya nkita hodia and was it wonya cervical cancer in any case but as I say
nkita so atena because me obe menya
I don't have a case say nyame abodi a waye ama nipa da semi ma wawe ne nkita hodie no kra de enti ye wo preventive measures bebre ye do ho no mo na be won se nka and what's will be amponya bi
person say de bana sa enam nsem no enope enti sa no mema nsunya bia na
me da se enti mema na sanse mema ni eni a wodi ano ni enti no ono wo sebi ni bema enti sa virus na no ebetimi ama no kokram a eche ne bema na no ena ebi nso wo ho a sebi ba oba ni merima ndemu a bia na ye pese better free ye ho ana so be man better free oba na se koba ne sa na se bia moawa ne bi wo wa se abibia meka sa water free onkopum ba ansana wa be pe bio matter free nti wo minimum no nso no obetumi enya sa kokram na betumi affect wo minimum ama wenya sa cervical cancer of the throat I just sa moawa na cause cervical cancer no type 16 and 18 no eno anso tumi ma cancer of the throat
I see.
To say you was
said o ka say enam die ne te say fi say bi o ho no me bi aba o ma be ka so say usi so ntem ana say usi so ntem amekai I say woni be ma hia na ntem ha eno so wo said the city e na afen so say nya say usi so ntem kra but wo mo a woni wo mo hia bi a wo no wan si so ntem wan so ntem na so any say wan sha sentem ni na ichi so bia na wo you be our multiple partners said they am can o ma no mu hia sesam a eno so nti ho no so te say
okay enti baseline yes se woni obarima bi enya nkita hodie pen na wenya ebia no wenya virus no the other factors near risk factors are no maybe etumi deadi eboa entemtem ema otumi nya sa kokram ne bi nti ne dikan ne o sha se kan se wisimuntem virus no asasere me cancer nyesa nya virus na pena na asase de ne ho edi but betumi atena wo be se emfihie du ne dunum enti enka no se be kan about ma omonya kokram chia we de na nka ka obi a wedi to say 60 55 70 ni ade basesia esan yen abrabo a asesa enti no as early as 13 14 15 obi a she sexual activity ase enti se 13 years no share ase na nyoni ni share no ewo mowa ne bia wo di 15 e be kan 13 years no say onyin di 30 but obe share ase a show sign no enti say ye kan age ne cross what eba as low as be meaning I'm 20 be meaning I'm 30 ni ade enti early sexual exposure ema wo 3 times chance so betumi nya cervical cancer. And na afen so multiple sexual partners no. And no so betumi aba ne say bi wanye mene wo na e bi mpo wo ho a yes sesese mu. Betumi aba ne say wo partner no no so akwa sesese mu ano akwa sesa no de abro. Enti de no aye recipient. Enti say ne kwasa eninya no de ni nya abro. Na wo so wenye bi. Enti no say another risk factor. And na say busuani mu wo maame o sister enye bi pen a obetumi enye bi. Once omo wo yare bi ama omo immune system no abafom achese soldiers na wo mu enke wo se bom ho ban no omo agogo enti emomo research cratre se titru yenuanom na omanya HIV no omo wo 10 times chance so mbetumi enya kokram a ekira wo de na no enti empem bebre wo mo mpo de no yen follow the routine screening ye pese ye either 6 monthly and as 1 yearly ni ye hwese won awode na no to say na ebiom no nso ohia and put it through and yes I did because sebi say you can the cost of screening, you can cost of vaccination and care the prevent here a high. Because say you best start a campaign, not mammy be a medi can share no or no pona or ma I was seeing good and cast it means na and chamber a month for nya kukremi na ye sure mo. Why don't we do something about it? Na a 150 cedis for the screening or buy a me catch you no cast me ba. Sika we me ko febi wo he me re hoye say 150 nti se ma me no wo kukram at that time na say enko benya yentimi anye test na ama no ni ohia beye but uko amma no ne ana say other countries esan say omo systems ehwe say me ne wo okay we do mpempen so e wo so tumbe screening ni send ni mails as say be we do omo ye bon kai say bra na beye o man do age for vaccination ni atwetwe say bra na beye by system no enter sa
every ban na ke beye say wo beye screening no
code so wonya ni very manya nkita hondia enka ne na kana after 3 years of first sexual encounter. But it's a story in Nasa. You can say by 21 years, so why your sex pen there? I was so shy say now we screening no.
And to say you share age and not of first sexual encounter.
To say not first sexual encounter. The reason and say to say adolescents no so ogusu enyi enti empembe bre no omonipedua no could fight some of these changes na ebani nipedua ni mo but by 21 years this why be da cry bibi wo hwa ye be hu ntem enti from 21 years say what year was sex even at 20 years so you know on your 21st birthday cry I was so to be a status screening no na won ha when ye be that then na was some vaccinated.
I see dia na be ma oba bi ehu se menya cervical cancer and I just a hospital pen be diagnose am.
Me that say empem bebre na hyase no hu hwe enti emra wo be hu no ma me ba be boboso yi na ebia no ma eya ginsem because for the first 10 15 20 years enya de a wo be hu ensesan ebi na nsan bi a wo betumi hu a me be boso yi eno so nkyere se ya hwefo no onya who be bisa o menya kukram I child da bi wa hia obewu ntama we do kolebu anasa hospital na ne di kan ye abnormal vaginal bleeding I just moja air ba enwose nkeba ne sa yenye nim say ya
moja ne fi
wase waseriba say ye do ye mpempen so a ye bu ye nse ye wo emre a ye do ye nse ntine fe ne period no because we particular time I was said ba but suddenly na no masasa ada sa ubu nsa be se empre no bosume baako anasa bia akoye tentensen se ne woseye anasa one ho kafo hia na moja eba anasa se bi won a wetwa bra no wotwa na wose wotwa but wetwa bra na fe moja nso eguso eba en wose eba ne saa na ebio mu
twa no ye mfonyini na ebeba akire na no beye den nti yesa hwefo se mfonyini na no den dodo a momfa enche yen mfonyini na ebeba na no beye den na nso ya disuenti tie pamochew eba ne saa na mo de ache yen.
Thank you. Ne ka ho biom enso offensive vaginal discharge. And no sabi enye to say ebia odepoa enka na say nim pine no but we ye to borrow the local word a bon ankasa to the extent
that me baby say now better than I can't the difference between a normal infection from we kakra ya wake can see oba be dey hu normal infection photo na ni enya yampa o ye pamucho photo na no e dey yampa pa mu fa nche yen
enti bibisa ena se wo won se na photo we etie no moja na America no moja e wo ho no mo ena offensive good ena offensive vaginal discharge and so it to me eba as a result of it
but we say wo dey na no dey say wo inside enti ordinarily we enti na betimi ahye ho no be se mfihie du ekodu no mo no na ye say she
good say asase no estati kitu ebi ase ekuro a one factory anka so and of course ekuro nso a ensa enti ehase bibi kuma bi kwa te se base we enti one nye ne hwe no ana say one fan ko hospital ama ye hu ne ntem no na asase etnetne na ase no edidi ko enti ani beba ho so no na anu ni nyina no aye ekuro ena eyesa ekuro no so amoja ne de ofa no kwa and apart from that no ni offensive vaginal discharge na ye ka ho asem no na enu echi nso esensa bibia moja etu ni nso nti de bia nso na moja nso ewo fom wonante kakra nso ano abre ena wa ya senso etumi ye wo ya pa enu nti sa woni oberima kura nya nkita hodi a pain na wo community sex out of the question and enu echi nso sisi echi enso etumi ye wo ya sebi ni nyina mu no se ye ntumi anya ho hwe ya bo nse na udidi nso na wo fon enti we ye science ni bi a wo be ho pa we nso chese eya kika kwa etwe eno na ye mpeso obi abedu sa level no no aka se menya abcd ansa na waba pasa wo wenya sa science ni bi amepato ment na fie bio men ka se me fere men ka se me twe nso kakra bomodin na bra na ye nhwe na ye ntumi emboa wontem because ubantama ye betumi esi anokwan
sister Rose ni enti amesre no
ka chere me
obi afre se wo se ebia wo ni obema hia na wo fa ya wo pain wo ena o se bia na enye kuro na na emom ni ekọ wo ho no ena eso ena ofre free ena wa free producers so say na say ade no enye kuro ebia obeden wo say ye kuro na fi say bia na ade no so ne so
me that's it it's na ye ka say o fa just one sign at least abnormal bleeding no ho pain na ye say pain no kra ho ansa na ne ekose ho no kose ho enti ne ekose ho da de akwa chinga ne more eno kra no ntumi intolerate because of the already existing pain
ye betimi treat na e be manage fi sem pain bebre ye bete no say cervical cancer de kra ne na aye intimi nya ho hwa like ananye we ne say enso anu wo ho no so I get confused
me da se bebre pain no ejina level a wo de buy so ye wo stages bebre ase fiti asase stage 1 na through to 1B okika kwa akopem even 4 any tree enti sesabi asase no eye memfa emfoni nye adekye kakra se ebia kukram no wo ano kiti bi wa hase me das wo ano kiti bi wa hase ya eno ye betumi eyisa affected part no if you ho no mo enti we nyina ewo ho but saketwa na edi kakra no ho na ebe ye fi ho na wo ho ato enya de ebesan bebiom ebi nso ho na atenetene ko ano no so kakra enti ano no so no ni eyisa ano yi nso efi ho no mo eno so wo ho beto especially one wo pese wonye manasa fe na wo bewo no eno no sa na eye de momo sanse enya endu enko etri ti na be ya obenyinsen awo last year cry enya obisa awawari anka opeba fortunately or not no yes procedure ni ya nche no konyemo ye
na fortunately ba
ne ka ho biom no eyese ebia na ano ne didi wunya wadwen so pese obewo biom enti se yi ano ne pena emwa ne wo se ye ne se be ne frɛ no radical hysterectomy and several times hysterectomy enti ne no yeyi awodie we no yeyi awodie na no ene ne keka ho no se ne be ya sabi se edidi akoba bi kora ere nkotene
se ne be yi awodie
ni nyina fa ye dwiri ni nyina efi ho na wo ho ato ebi nso wo ho a ye surgery ni ye na wo so san ye radiotherapy eka ho anase chemotherapy kakwa eka ho because ebia nanka yakọ mogyanim na etumi asay cells na abnormal no wo ba etire na se edidi akwa etire dia eno no surgery eremwa Intina ne wo say ya ne say be radiotherapy a number of sessions na ye de a slow down abnormal cells no se nia enyinyi entem no na wetumi atena enti obi wo ho a we do to say stage 3 bb yes yentumi nye surgery no emma but ye betumi no na ye management no but enka before then no ye treatable exactly
ama wade wo ho kra let's talk about prevention na chese ne ebeboa yempa enti die ne die ne betumi dia preventions two major ways pe ni dikan yenye sex da fiti mpara 9 years eriko omo no sebe omo nhyase ne obema nyankita hodie enti e wo vaccine wo ho a ombetumi awode abo won ho ban both boys and girls because ye set up your ban ne obema nkita hodie enti oba ne obema ni nyina tumi wo pane no fiti mame no hwe na oba abaiwa no 9 de no onya mu ne nsakra
into one 100% protection from the vaccine. Into 9 to 14 na won pre no. When you dikan abosmens ya no one twato no. Then no ye for life. And after 15 years air kono. So we di 40 years kwa na won sex da. Wo dey any screening. Wo dey vaccination. Se ne be obebo ho ban. But one a oni berma nyankita ho dey pen no. Womo no ne wose we ne se obeye screening ne ahwese ensesa ye bia eni a wode na no a ebetumi debi ama o cervical cancer na ye wa another test kwa wo hono no ye pepa wode na no ne de gu enso we mu ahwese emmoa wana etumi ede saa kokrami ba no ebi eni wo mu ana wo ye saa test na se bibia ye fan a obetumi awo pane no ama ho ato entinani age say ye test we no oh wo hwe ye screen na so a very simple test ye pepa wo de na no kakra na ye de akolab it takes less than 5 minutes pap smear entinse say wo methods bebre ye what VI no instance o de vinegar pepper o de na no na sensesan e bi wo ho no ehu ene ye pap smear na nkasa pap smear esan near o de buy no ne din no na smearing your pepper na de good glass slide no so ene ye one ye friend liquid based cytology na me trace o de good inso ni mo enti either of we nyina no o ya e be ma perfect outcome but the best na so betumi ayese o ska betumi HPV DNA say okay yetete screening so instead of 150 me hono no say I call 80 cedis ye sha see fi Monday no egu so call e man e ba bebre enti se wonya screening abomodin no ko screening ridge ye bi woko confirm no che omo so omo ye bi 75 and na woko Battle Volta region woko Central region ye wo Central Government Hospital no ho oba Winneba so omo ye bi bebe abeko bia sesia obiara biara ye binti empeso bia betu kwan efi etire abankran because last 2 years obi fi second D obi fi Volta North so oba be screening because na fi na wate ho asem
so we screening ni we na nyame adom bibia ni ho a what next
the next thing and say results ne ba we normal pap smear ni dem people no want me vaccinate without one
but me vaccination
with just a normal pap smear no empembebre however ni woman say because I no test for the virus no
test for the
for say ensesan ye bi eni awodie na no e betumi ama okokram enti no test for virus but ebi wo ho a sometimes so person wo vaccine na obi eno ye obetumi awo just say eno so be slow down say the virus bi wo ho a say na betumi anyinyin enti na so when wanye hwe kra emfa so wanye hwe kra no we normal screening na we fear was so dear screening bi on 2 to 3 years enti wo ye ne this year next year ye frɛ wa member next 2 years opa na oba so 2 to 3 years time we so in routine screening but we test na and no test for virus na ne dia and no or protection for we state for the next 3 to 5 years. That is how routinely what's the way
so checking virus and the HPV na HPV obeko bi no acha 5 years time
exactly and also bet me our vaccine no
2 or 3 years time or so I see. Mama share Facebook na me bisa question si ma omo. Then press back open na or see please ask PNO Edu4 whenever you are having sex and you are frequently being fingered and licked, can that cause cervical cancer? What is the advice on licking during love making? Please answer me because I asked for someone. God bless all midwives, nurses and doctors. Now, you who saw your nurse and midwife. Yeah, that was. PNO, catch you, no man.
Now, say it doesn't cause cervical cancer. Okay. That's what we are saying. Because virus no immune no. Ewo obane oberima kita ho die ni mo the vaginal penile penetration and Adekye.
And yeah, citizen Francis, 300,000 women died of cervical cancer across the world last year. God save our women and let the women also help themselves. Inti na yempese ni padudo sa abewuna yeguso ayebo dawuru no enye kofi wa mefimeni emfa ho mane emfa ho na wonso tu ho na mo na bo ho ban. Honorable Abedi Nkwada so says, Sister, yeah, please ask Madam Rose for me, should my sister consider preventive surgeries if she have risk factors for cervical cancer?
Well, even if the nipano our risk factors now, the issue is our problem be so we nya kukram no. So onye why don't we just do the screening? So between HPV DNA, no vaccinate, because MPP, surgery has its own side effect. Bibianye or some surgery. So I want to take you through the counseling. Now what's here? Surgery ya me kwa ABCD ni betumi see. Are you ready for it? Ewo mirror uni problem bia. Uni problem betumi routine HPV DNA screening, vaccinate, and you should be good to go. Now modify your lifestyle. It is very necessary. And can baby aya do be another bro. Oh, okay. That baby aya fine.
Ente so kakra. Sandra Usu, I'll say good morning, Mami and Madam Edu4. For me, a lot of the symptoms look like menopause. So we need more education because I'm sure people see the early signs, but they think it's menopause. Really
interesting. It's not yet cancer. So we bra. You have no relationship with bleeding again. Good. And so we bra, mama, auntie, grandma, we bra. Na suddenly was say moja eba. Ma yen say oh moja na nkeba no na say oh yakwa na ba ye mum review. Bibisa eniho. Ebetumi aba ne say moja ne fi awodi enimu. And I say, "Fi awodie na no, ani nyinara hu hia say wase yehwe." Enti it shouldn't ever be the case.
Richard, the jury says, you talked about males also vaccinating. How are they involved here since they don't have cervix? Okay, in brief.
Okay, and men have the penis, and we have the cervix. That's why cervical cancer, and it is only sexually transmitted. It is sexually transmitted. Yeah, so maybe bomb a home by or bear so born home by would eradicate it because some countries are greatly doing that. Okay,
can pregnant women go for the screening? Hajia main matter Jawid.
Thank you, dear. The pregnant women, yes, obi wa onyema or issues. Or problem, don't worry. Screening no ho afebo edema. Enye madam fibese enye emergency. 9 months enche ebeba obewewie no aba from 6 weeks now aba be screening no.
But Empress that's what you yeah, please. The person said she didn't answer the licking during love making. Oh.
It does not cause cervical cancer. Rather, it is the person near oil leaking no aye bear no. Say ono na alter free gunimu. It's no bit mania throat cancer, no, but the lady wouldn't get the cervical cancer because of the leaking.
I pray, says Abby, dear sister, why answered, why salted. So ocean so now still on you satisfied. How do your cautious sister Rose do for principal nurse and officer or reproductive health department, Kolibu Teaching Hospital. So, but just a room so a personal kakra na fi wonu na koye ne benu nkomo wo hu sa ye dase papa Pastor Rose ye dase mo anyway juma pa wonu nuanoma omo kam ho enti but enche say January sia cervical cancer nkomo asi wan kasa me ma remfi ya na odi ato tim no watu ho anamom ye kwa ba ye koba pafe ye bedi Ghana nkomo nti wadaroma twen ye beba sisia